India is using draconian laws in occupied Kashmir to suppress the Kashmiri struggle for right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian military, paramilitary and police personnel enjoying unbridled powers under the black laws including Armed Forces Special Powers Act, Disturbed Areas Act, Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act are perpetrating war crimes, in fact crimes against humanity in the occupied territory. The High Court of Occupied Kashmir has directed the Indian Ministry of Defence to settle pending rental dues of Rs 2.49 crores for 24 families whose land is under illegal possession of the Indian Army. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Army had forcibly taken over the land of these families consisting of displaced persons from the Azad Kashmir in 1978 without proper legal procedures and compensation. An Indian Army soldier died of a cardiac arrest in the Kupwara district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the official said that the soldier identified as Veer Naik fell unconscious while on duty in the Machil area of the district. He was taken to the hospital where the doctors declared him dead. 87 people who were killed during the ethnic clashes in the Manipur were buried nearly 8 months after the violence broke out in the northeastern Indian state. According to Kashmir Media Service, the burial marked the end of a months-long wait for the families of the deceased, the Indian media reported. Senior leader of the Indian National Congress, Sonia Gandhi, has said that the Modi government is suffocating democracy by suspending the members of parliament on legitimate demands. According to Kashmir Media Service, over 140 opposition MPs from the parliament who have been demanding Home Minister Amit Shah's statement on the recent parliament security breach have been suspended.